Hi guys, it's 24 hours Parasite SEO Rush, Rank and Bank Blueprint. We often see powerful websites like Gov and Edu domains, as well as various well-known and popular communities rising to the top of search results. SEOs immediately start using these platforms to publish their reviews, which quickly rank at the top for various queries, even appearing in featured snippets. They customize these reviews specifically to perform well in featured snippets. This video, I will share everything I know about this strategy, answering your questions right away, and by the end, you'll have everything you need to publish dozens of your own reviews and make money every time a new platform emerges. This strategy is suitable for both beginners and experienced users. It's unique, effective, and you won't find this information elsewhere. Watch until the end to learn about the most secret SEO strategy today. Let's recall some of these platforms: Bitbucket, Jira, Atlassian, Google Groups, Bentley Communities, ServiceNow, Databricks, Revolve Forums, LeCountil, Pima, Neuralink Form. The list goes on, and the pattern is always the same. Someone successfully posts their review, others see this and quickly start publishing their reviews in a mass. These reviews are quickly indexed, sometimes without external help. Soon, 10 reviews are being published on the platform every minute, potentially reaching the 1,000 in a single day. The platform doesn't respond immediately. It typically takes about 1-5 days before moderation kicks in, at which point all posts and accounts are deleted, or the posting rules are tightened. As a result, snippets of these deleted articles may remain in Google's top results for a long time, but the result is always the same: a 400 for error. This raises some questions. How does this even work? Do they manage to make money from their articles? Are they expecting their reviews to last for months? Why are they putting in so much effort if they know the content will eventually be removed? Where do they find the time and energy to do all this? In this video, I decided to answer all these questions and explain a strategy on how you can use the incredible power of free Parasite SEO to make money even on platforms where your posts live for 24 hours or less. I call this strategy the 24 hours Parasite SEO Rush, and now you will learn everything about it. First, let's go over the issue I raised earlier, and then we'll move on to the strategy. How does this even work? SEOs scout various trusted sites to add their reviews. Typically, these are communities, but there are many types of sites where you can publish your content. They look for platforms that can be indexed and where they can add a link, or better yet, a photo and a good editor for designing articles. Once they index all the pages, if this doesn't happen automatically, their content reaches the top of search results. Traffic starts flowing in, sometimes significantly, and it's converted into sales because the articles are already optimized for this purpose, formatted with the links and offers. Visitors click, they buy, and the affiliate earns a commission. Do they manage to make money from their articles? Yes. If you have a strategy and publish prepared content in mass, you have a chance to earn money even in 24 hours. Why not? If indexing takes an hour, you start seeing rankings immediately and traffic flows. If you use good offers and products that people are searching for, you can start making money within an hour. If the volume of traffic is significant across dozens of your articles, sales and revenue will follow, sometimes amounting to hundreds of dollars. Do they expect their reviews to last for months? Not at all. They rely on lightning-fast actions, streamlined procedures, and scale. You can outspace your competitors and rank at the top for high-ticket products like Fitspresso, JavaBurn, or Sugar Defender. The key is to be first, act quickly, and publish in mass. Not just one review, but several dozens. Even within a few days, they can make good money. Then the process repeats on a new platform with the same content. The content is published 20 times over. You might think that after a page is deleted, the SEOs have nothing left. But now you know that's not the case. Their asset is articles customized for SEO and affiliate marketing that can be published endlessly. Where do they find the time and energy to do all this? I mean, open accounts, create dozens of content, index it. Typically, this type of work is delegated to a virtual assistant. It's a very simple job that can be outsourced. Creating accounts, creating posts, copying and saving all content, ChatGPT generation, posting, indexing. Entire teams do this, but even one person can do it alone with ChatGPT. How to use platforms that last only 24 hours to earn money. Free publication, no investment, and good earnings. This is what free Parasite SEO is all about, and it's what I cover in my course and group. We are the first to find platforms, share experiences, solve problems, and make money. Join my system where 100 CEOs are already successfully working and earning money with this free Parasite. We have everything you need to succeed: templates, instructions, an updated database of sites, a communication hub. This is how we become more efficient. Now, step-by-step strategy. First, create a database of your content. About 20 reviews of the best products you work with. It's better to create 2-3 copies of each article so you can post them simultaneously on different platforms. Just regenerate them 2-3 times in ChatGPT. Your content base is the foundation for posting and sales. 2. Even if you posted reviews somewhere and they get deleted, save the content in Google Docs to build your initial database. 3. Manage your database. I create a template in Google Sheets where I track all the data about the saved content. I know when it was added, what its status is, and I manage it. It's my asset. 4. Generate reviews in ChatGPT. I have instructions on how to do this under this video. 5. Design each article. Add emojis, think through the meta tags. 6. Optimize. Consider the keywords. 7. Include links and think through the funnel. Your articles should be designed to sell. 8. Enter information about created articles into database. Add links and statuses. 9. Monitor search results for top products. It's best to connect with my WhatsApp group where I give the first signal. In general, communicating with other CEOs during this process is the best way to ensure effective posting. As soon as you find a new site, start creating an account and posting content. Typically, you can do this even from one account. Deletion happens in mass across all accounts at once. The key is to publish content quickly. 11. See what your competitors have already published and act swiftly. 12. Add it to an indexing service. 13. Record all created pages in your management template. Track when you posted, what the domain is, where the sources are stored, and the status of the page, whether active or deleted. This template is in my system, and I give it to everyone who buys access. 14. Add tracking to your page rankings using services like Ubersuggest or Rank Ranger, many others. 15. Monitor click and sales statistics. 16. Use short link services or your own redirects through your website. 17. Once all the pages are deleted, look for new sites and publish again. It doesn't matter whether the old pages are still indexed or have 404 status, just start publishing everything on a new platform with the same meta tags without changing anything. That's how it works. Even after deletion, the same content can still rank, and I've personally confirmed this dozens of times. They follow this exact strategy, but no one has ever shared it publicity until now. So subscribe to my channel, be sure to buy access to my system, and you'll be able to use these and many other strategies with free parasites in your work. Any questions? Drop them in the comments. If you want to use this strategy effectively, pay $69 today for access to my course with a 50% discount and join my group for a lifetime access.